Join me for an unforgettable adventure in the Wisconsin Dells as we embark on the exhilarating Wisconsin Dells Duck Tours. We're going to go ahead and experience the thrill of riding authentic World War II amphibious boats that seamlessly guide both on land and on water. It's a really unique tour that gives you breathtaking views, rich history, and a little bit of a splash of excitement as we navigate some scenic routes and the beautiful, relaxing lakes. This is a perfect event for families, couples, even adventure seekers, because there's a couple of moments. The duck tours, they offer a one-of-a-kind experience. The tour guides are absolutely amazing. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and take you along for the ride. I'm going to showcase some of the stunning landscapes, but I will tell you, watching it in a video is one thing, seeing it in person is completely different, and I cannot express to you, you need to go and take a look at this. So let's go ahead and I will highlight the fun, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and watch the video.
Dancer. Over the next 8.5 mile journey, which will be half on land, half on water, dividing by geography, which should get a little bit of airtime as well. Now, if you guys have any questions throughout this tour, just shout your questions out. I'll do my best to answer. Now, if I don't have an answer to your question, then I'll most likely just make something. And once we round this corner, I'm going to do it to stop for just a second. Let's go do something real quick. We're going to go on to this tour. Alright. There we go. On our way. Markers counting in interest on either side of an abilities and carved granite statues. These statues they decorated the Chicago War Trade Center in 1932. When that was redecorated by stick of dynamite. For that redecoration, all this Helen Rob purchased all the statues that you see here. She purchased these statues to decorate her home, Dawn Manor. Now please keep Miss Helen Rob in the back of your mind as she will be coming up a little bit later on in today's tour. I guess what I'm really trying to say, guys, is please, whatever you do, just don't take those statues back there for granted. Thank you guys for your patty laughs. I do greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Think of that 150 miles an hour right there. I know, just awestruck. No, I'm going to do it this market, but they're going to be seeing some wildlife. So if you guys do see any wildlife, just shout it out. You know, I'll do my best to slow down so we get a better look at it. Just like the canyon. The river, but sadly, I do have to approach it pretty slowly. It's a safety protocol here. Or at least that's what I'm supposed to do. But personally, I think it'd be a lot more fun if I crashed in the river instead. Alright, here we go! Oh, we almost got tunnel vision there. That would have been bad. Oh, no, I do have to stop and check for traffic. It is the one thing I really do. Look at that, though. Luckily, across the coast is quick. Now, making it into the Wisconsin River. Now, it does get a little bit bumpy as we get into the river today. So, with one hand, please just brace the seat in front of you. And on the other hand, this is very important, guys. Make sure to please plug your nose as you prepare to become a submarine. Alright, here we go, guys. And just like that, we are now afloat the Wisconsin River. Now, while we are making our way down the river, you might want to keep your eyes down towards the shoreline, as there have been quite a few turtle sightings the past couple of days. We may get lucky with a small turtles. Just keep your eyes there. You're going to see a mushroom-shaped rock, and off to the right of that mushroom-shaped rock, there lies Baby Grand Piano Rock. So first proclamation, you can see the Baby Grand Piano. They're off to the right side of that mushroom-shaped rock, with its leg living up against the mushroom-shaped rock. Look at the keys. They face the heavens to this very day. Delton and off the left of it up to the mushroom-shaped rock. They're off to the right of that mushroom-shaped rock. There lies Baby Grand Piano Rock. So first proclamation.
When I was a kid, it was actually up on top.
Now, did you guys all get a good look at that Baby Grand Piano back there? Don't see it all right? Good, good. Now, what if I told you guys that I can still get a few tunes out of that Baby Grand to this very day? Yeah, maybe some hard rock by the Rolling Stones, baby. Genius. There might be a slight mist that'll come over the front. Like it being these first couple rows, maybe a tiny bit wet. Probably not what else today, but those still be nothing in comparison to the 80-foot tidal wave that will be coming over that deck. So if you guys have anything you want to bring home with you, please put it up on your seat, because anything that marks the beat of this shoe great, I get to keep it and I get to sell it on eBay. Pretty good gig. Now seriously, if you guys do stuff on like floor that you want to keep dry, I would put it up on your seat. There will really be some water coming over the back of the duck. And with that, are you guys ready to go?
Yep.
Let's do it. All right, everybody, please hold on as we're getting into Lake Delton today. I know I said the same thing getting into the river, but seriously, I'm not joking about this one. All right, WWII will go.
Ready? Splash now.
Cowabunga! Now what it was, it came about that tidal wave that there was I, guys. No, I wasn't. Now, if you guys did happen to get a little bit wet, just remember, we just crashed into artificial Lake Delton today, which means that it's artificial water, which means that you guys live out there, you're actually artificially wet right now. You're not really wet at all.
So in 2008, there was the Lake Delton disaster. Basically, there was torrential downpours. The storm rolled in for several days. And it says that at one point, the highest water ever was 39.5 inches. It got to 51.5 inches. So they were very worried about, you know, the structures. There's expressways that run right along this lake. And so basically, there was a crossing on June 9th. So basically the water began streaming over the level of the shoreline over County Highway A, which is the road that's between the lake and the river. And basically it poured so much water from the actual lake into the river, it grew almost 200 feet wide. It ate away a ton of the sandy beach. And by 10 a.m., it saturated the earth between the lake and the river, and it had a 400-foot wide channel. So in other words, this whole river that you see was just flooded everywhere. There were homes, apartments, everything that sort of went down into the water as well. They have now rebuilt things, and it's absolutely beautiful. I highly encourage you, if you get a chance, go and take this tour. Again, like I said before, I can show it to you on video, but it is one of those moments where the Dells is just so picturesque and beautiful. And to see all of that sort of in person and take it in, it's totally different. Like I said, the videos are gorgeous, but it's so different in person. If you've enjoyed this journey with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Side note, we are all about family, so we are all about creating unforgettable family memories and adventures. We'd love to be able to share these tips with you to make your adventures smooth and fun. So whether you're traveling to the Wisconsin Dells, Disney World, Disneyland, or other locations as well, we've got you covered. Be sure to go and check out my playlist because I have a lot of family-friendly content, full tours, full travel guides. If you've got questions or ideas for our next adventure, comment down below. I absolutely love hearing from you. I love hearing about your adventures. And then don't forget to go ahead and join our channel. If you choose to, there is a small cost and all of that helps support our channel, but I do offer a lot of fun behind the scenes sneak peeks. So until next time, keep adventuring, keep exploring, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.